Okay, let's go.
Here's the original outdoor unit in the dB rating for this.
Okay, let's go.
All right, we've got the new Daikin FIT installed. Look at this. Doesn't take up the walkway anymore. Nice slim line system. And it's running full blast right now. I know it doesn't look like it, but let's see the dB reading, Brock.
Okay, let's go.
A little under 50 there. And look, the fan is running full speed here. So that's the new Daikin FIT surge protector, brought to you by Top Shelf Heating and Air.
Okay, let's go.